Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to customize the power button behavior on your Samsung Galaxy S25 Plus. First, open Settings on your device. Then in Settings, navigate down to Advanced Features. Here select Side button, and here select if you want select double press if you want to customize double press feature. First of all, enable it by switching this toggle to the right, and then select what you want to do using the double press gesture. For example, you can select camera, and this way you will open the camera with double press of the side button or the power button, and then the long press. So the long press will open either digital assistant Bixby, or for example it will open the power off menu. Let's select Google Assistant, and now let's double press the side button, and as you can see, it actually opens camera. And if we hold it down for a couple of seconds, it will open the Google Assistant menu. And so that's how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.